So yeah, we're leaving Merida. So I went to the airport, caught a plane, landed in Mexico City. From there, we hopped on the bus, and let me tell you, it was one of the most comfortable bus rides I've ever had. After all that traveling, we finally made it to Guanajuato, to our new house. So let me give you the house tour. Welcome. This is the kitchen. This kitchen features all your essential appliances such as a sink, a microwave, a full stove and oven, refrigerator, freezer, a nice shelf to keep all your plates, pots, and cups, dining room table, and lots of counter space. Now for the next room over here. Now this is the cat's room / office space. We have my workspace. You can see I have a little bit of work going on over there. You'll be seeing that soon. And a view of the kitchen to watch the food cook. And this is the living room. Features a sofa and a beautiful 4K television.
Pues con esta información nos despedimos. Agradecemos a usted el favor de su atención.
Somos un equipo conformado por fotógrafos, reporteros.
This is some quality 4K television. It really doesn't get better than this. Now welcome to the master bedroom. This bedroom features a built-in wardrobe where we're able to keep all of our knickknacks, clothing, everything we need, including some hats. Be sure to subscribe. Now, I know it said the cat's room is over there, but this is also her room. The whole house is her room. Now, time for the bathroom. Now, it's nothing special, but it gets the job done. Features a sink, obviously a toilet, and an open shower. Now, that's not even the best part. Now, this is the absolute selling point to this place. It's this amazing view. This is a view I cannot get bored of. Still in disbelief, I get to wake up to this every single morning. Now, I bet you're wondering, how did I find this place and how much am I paying? Well, truth be told, this is an Airbnb rental, and we did a long-term stay, which gave us a bit of a discount, and here we're paying $550 for the month. Now, being that this is my second house tour in Mexico, I heard you guys wanted another cooking montage. So, I bet you guys are wondering, why did we leave Merida? Now, Merida is honestly much more affordable than this area, but I have two reasons why we left. Now, I was in Merida for about 3 months, and I really missed hiking, missed the mountains. We were in Pennsylvania where we're surrounded by mountains, so I used to like to hike, and then in Merida I didn't have that option. And another reason for me, it gets really hot. Like every single day Merida is hot, and here in Guanajuato the weather's honestly perfect weather every day. Kiara, do you have your reasons?
I personally didn't mind the heat or anything like that in Merida. I thought Merida was fine, but the only thing that bothered me about Merida was the variety of food. Everything was the same, everything was pork always, and there wasn't a lot of international options like there are here.
Now, we're not saying Merida is a bad place. It's honestly, it's a wonderful place. I would love to visit it again. Would I live there full time? Personally, I wouldn't, because I need to be surrounded by mountains. And now, I'm gonna show you around this beautiful town.
Never go away, so I guess I've gotta stay now. Oh, I hope someday I'll make it out of here, even if it takes all night or 100 years. Need a place to hide, but I can't find one here. Wanna feel right.
So first thing you would notice about this town, that there is a lot of stairs. I mean, a lot. Make sure your legs are ready for this.
The city of Guanajuato is the capital of the state of Guanajuato, north of Mexico City. The history here is silver mining. When Europeans heard that they have found silver in this area of Mexico, the Spanish sent conquistadors to this area. You can see that the architecture is heavily influenced by European design. Even the cobblestone streets, everything kind of gives you a European feel. But right now the culture of this city is very hip and modern. You have cafes on every street. People are dressed in the latest fashions. It's really a nice place to visit.
This town is absolutely bustling. There's people always out and about, from tourists and even the locals as well, always just roaming the town. Right now we just arrived to Mercado Hidalgo. Yeah, I can't pronounce it. Which is one of the main markets in town. This market is insane. It has everything and anything you need, from food, alcohol, fruit. There's lots of restaurants, there's clothing, bags, and delicious smoothies actually. Right next to the market is actually this big food court where it has 2 stories of restaurants, and people are just yelling at you just to eat some food, and you can smell all the food, so we decided to stop in and check out some of this food.
So what I got here is the classic dish of Guanajuato, which is called enchiladas mineras. They actually have so many different varieties of enchiladas here in Guanajuato, but this is the classic one. Wow, your salsa's like everywhere.
Another cool thing about this town is the tunnels. They're like, just everywhere you go, you can find tunnels where you can cut under and you can see cars driving through. It's really cool. The tunnels are mainly for vehicle traffic, but a lot of them do have footpaths on them. The tunnels were mainly built to prevent flooding in the city. One of the most popular, if not most popular, tourist attractions here is the funicular, which takes you all the way up the city to get a whole view of everything. I'm actually scared of heights. Another awesome thing about Guanajuato is it's filled with all these little quaint alleyways, which are so awesome. And one of the most famous alleyways is the Alley of the Kiss. It's famous because of the legend of the Mexican version of Romeo and Juliet, and the story is basically the same. The couple would come to this alleyway at night and kiss each other. So a lot of people come and do the same exact thing. And my absolute favorite thing about Guanajuato City is the mountains and the abundance of hiking trails. As soon as I got here, I went right up and started hiking, and let me tell you, it was beautiful. The mountains are gorgeous. That is gonna come in another video. Honestly, Guanajuato City is my favorite place in Mexico. I've been one of the favorite places I have been, period. So I really think you guys should come and visit this area. It's so mind-blowing to me. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and comment, tell me what you think. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. The subscribe means so much to me, and thank you so much for watching. Until next time, stay up the beaten path.
Leaning on